Hi there, and welcome to the Real Estate Minute with Rob Thompson. I'm ready to buy a home, but my credit score is not. Don't be surprised. It's amazing how often I hear this, and the first step is to not be dejected, disappointed, overwhelmed by the situation. There's a lot we can do here. So, as we talk about the overall buyer process, you may recall that one of the first things we're going to discuss is getting pre qualified so we don't go out and fall in love with a home before we know what we can afford. So if we reach out to the lender, and this is the word we get back is, hey, whether it's a FICO score or debt to income level, whatever the situation may be, maybe some previous bankruptcy back there, lenders are going to be able to guide you through the process to get that credit cleaned up, usually much more quickly than you think. In most cases, I'm seeing 6 to 12 months before someone's actually ready to go out and buy a home, as long as they take the advice of the lender and they do what they need to do. So it's not the end of the world. Let's talk some more if you've got a specific situation. I've got some great lenders here in town I can set you up with. Thanks so much.